In this video, I'm going to show you how to downgrade from live to regular TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is go to Tax Home over here, and as you can see, I'm on the live version right now. And then you want to click on Continue or Let's Get Started or whatever it is over here on one of these blue buttons. Now, once you're in here, you'll see a bunch of different things here on the left. And what you want to do is click on Switch Products. And then to switch product, so to go from live back to regular, what you want to do is actually press clear and start over. However, it will ask you whether you're sure to clear your return, because if you want to do this, it will erase all your information and let you start over. So this is unfortunately the way of doing it, and you will have to do everything yet again. However, you'll still able to switch from live to the regular version of TurboTax, but as I said, you will lose all the data and you will have to put it in yet again. So if you agree with that, you want to click on yes, and it's going to say clearing your return, and it's going to start loading. And then after it says your return has been cleared, you want to press continue and then wait for a few seconds for this page to load. There we go, and then it says we're glad you're here, and as you can see right now, the live icon went away because we're going to select the non-live version right now in the following steps. So you want to click got it, and then answer truthfully over here, so tell them everything that applies, and then click continue. And over here, it says how comfortable do you feel doing your own taxes, and you simply want to switch, select whichever one you would like. So I'm going to do this one, press continue. And then from here, you're gonna be able to select a plan. So it says do it yourself over here, file your own taxes with confidence, and you can click start for free over here. Now, this is the one you want to click if you want regular TurboTax, because if you click this one over here or this one, as you can see, the full service and the assisted one are both live. So you want to click over here, start for free. And then you want to go over here, you want to basically answer your questions. And right off the bat, you're going to get the premium version of TurboTax, but I'm going to show you how to go all the way down to the free edition. So the premium one is the one you start with, and then in here, you want to click switch products, downgrade, and then it says you want to go to free edition. You want to click downgrade to free edition over here, and after just a few seconds, there we go, you've successfully switched to your free edition from the live version. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.